Bob Marley was a renowned Jamaican singer, songwriter, and musician who became a global icon in the realms of music and culture. He was born on February 6, 1945, in 9 Mile, St. Anne Parish, Jamaica, and his birth name was Robert Nesta Marley. Marley's early life was marked by humble beginnings. His father was a white Jamaican of English descent, and his mother was of African descent. He grew up in a rural environment which significantly influenced his musical style and lyrical themes. As a young boy, he was influenced by various musical genres including ska, rocksteady, and reggae, which were popular in Jamaica at the time. In his teenage years, Bob Marley moved to Kingston, the capital city of Jamaica, to pursue a career in music. He formed a band called The Wailers in 1963, alongside Bunny Livingston and Peter Tosh. The Wailers initially performed ska and rocksteady tunes, but eventually pioneered the reggae sound that became their signature. Marley's lyrics frequently addressed social issues such as poverty, oppression, and racial unity, reflecting his Rastafarian beliefs. His music also emphasized themes of love, peace, and resistance against injustice. In 1966, Marley converted to Rastafarianism, a spiritual movement that greatly influenced his worldview and music. The Rastafarian faith emphasized African unity and spirituality, which was reflected in Marley's lyrics and public persona. Over the years, Bob Marley gained popularity both locally and internationally, thanks to his charismatic performances and meaningful music. His 1977 album, Exodus, is considered one of the greatest albums of all time and features hits like Jamming and Three Little Birds. With his distinctive voice and soulful delivery, Marley connected with audiences worldwide, transcending cultural boundaries. In addition to his musical talent, he was active in promoting Pan-Africanism and advocating for social justice. Marley's international success helped draw attention to the struggles of marginalized and oppressed peoples around the world. He was known for his peace efforts. In 1978, he played a free concert in Zimbabwe to celebrate its independence. Despite facing numerous challenges, including political violence and personal health issues, he continued his activism through music. Bob Marley was diagnosed with acral lentiginous melanoma in 1977, which later metastasized and led to his death. He passed away on May 11, 1981, at the age of 36 in Miami, Florida. Even after his death, Marley's influence endured, inspiring generations of musicians, activists, and fans worldwide. His legacy includes a vast catalogue of music and the establishment of the Bob Marley Museum in Kingston, Jamaica. The museum is a popular tourist site where visitors can learn about his life, career, and Rastafarian beliefs. Marley's music continues to be used as an anthem for peace and love across the globe. His iconic image and messages of unity have made him a symbol of resistance and hope. In 1994, Bob Marley was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, solidifying his place in music history. He also received numerous awards and honors recognizing his contribution to music and culture. Bob Marley's song, Redemption Song, is often cited as one of the most powerful anthems for liberation and human rights. His influence extends beyond music into social and political spheres, inspiring activists worldwide. Marley's life story exemplifies the power of music as a tool for social change and cultural expression. Today, he is considered one of the most influential musicians in the history of popular music. His messages of love, unity, and resistance continue to resonate with millions around the world. The global celebration of his legacy occurs annually on his birthday, February 6, with concerts and cultural events. Researchers and scholars frequently study his lyrics to understand his impact on music and social movements. Overall, Bob Marley's life was a testament to the enduring power of art to inspire hope and resilience. His contributions helped elevate reggae music to an international stage and promote messages of peace and justice. From his humble beginnings to worldwide fame, his story reflects the universal desire for freedom and equality. Bob Marley's enduring legacy remains a powerful symbol of resistance and the transformative potential of music.